Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to look at the gear that you need to start making beats. So let's go. First off, what you need first is a computer. I got an iMac Pro here. If you're looking for like what kind of stats to get, maybe get something with at least 8 gigs RAM or 16 gigs RAM. Mine's 32 gig RAM. Also get something with some good processing speed. Don't worry too much about whether it says i5 or i7 or i9. That doesn't matter too much. What matters the most is your processing speed. So mine's 3.7, which is really good. My laptop is a 2.7 gigahertz processing speed, which is still really good when I'm making beats on there. Like it's pretty decent, man. And it's an 8 gigabyte RAM on there, and it runs pretty well. So you could go anywhere from 8 gigs RAM to 32. You can go from processing speed maybe 2.7 to 3.7. If you got a Mac, go for something that's not Fusion drive. Go for a SSD hard drive. Don't worry too much about the storage space, because you can just get a hard drive as well. So if you're worried about spending more money, just get a 500 gigs minimum, I would say. Don't get any less than that, because it's going to be too small. And the next thing you want to do is have this thing called a DAW, which is a digital audio workstation, or a lot of producers and beat makers will call it a DAW. And basically what that is a program you can use to make the beats. You can record stuff on it. I got it open right now. The one that I'm using is Logic Pro X. You can use FL Studio, you can use Ableton, Pro Tools, any one of those you can use. You can even use GarageBand. I started on GarageBand. That's why I use Logic Pro X now, because it's just easier for me. Start with any. Don't worry too much about, oh, which one should I go to be better. Or just start, man. That's all you need to do first. To start making beats, that's all you need: a computer and a digital audio workstation. Those are the two things you need, and that's it. The next thing you're going to need, I'm going to come into my camera over here. Here's my iMac Pro. Down here, some more gear you can get. If you want to make things freehand, you can use a MIDI keyboard. This is the one I got. It's a Akai MPK Mini. Also, some more things you can get is some studio monitors. So the ones that I got here, they are the HS5 Yamaha HS5s. Also, another thing you can get is this thing right here. This is called an audio interface. This is so you can plug in like mics and stuff, so you can control the sound of your headphones. You can plug it in here, and you can put your speakers in here and control the sound right from here. You can have a monitoring of your earphones or guitar that you plug in, or the sound of your digital audio workstation can come through here and go out through to your earphones, your speakers. It's all connected. You got a line option, instrument option. There's the monitoring option. If I turn that off, I can't hear myself. Turn it on, I can hear myself. You got a phantom power here for the mic. Some mics require phantom power because they're too strong. There's your volumes for the headphones, volumes for the speakers. So if I do that, I can turn it up and I can hear, oh, feedback. Honestly guys, like, you don't even need this extra stuff. This extra stuff it's gonna help so your workflow is a bit easier. So like, say people's around here, you're making a beat and you're in a session, you have your speakers here, they can hear it too. Or if you want a different kind of perspective of your mix or your master, if you're mixing or mastering your beat, you got your headphones as an option as well. These headphones I'm using, I forgot to say, these are the DT77 Pros. But the main thing you need to start is just the computer and the DAW, and that's pretty much it, man. Like, that's all the gear, the basic gear that you need. You don't really need the extras to start, but they will definitely help you. Anything else you get more than just this stuff is just, you don't even need the extra stuff. But yeah, man, that's basically it. There's nothing else I would say that you need more than just that. So go get started. This is Chuggy Beats with a Face. Catch you later. Subscribe, comment for what kind of videos you want next as well. But yeah, anyways guys, catch you later.